Thanks to live data, we are notified of changes in our database without needing to be continuously requerying. Unfortunately, we are still requerying the database every time that we rotate our device. As you know, activities are destroyed and recreated on rotation. This means that onCreate will be called again. A new live data object will be created, and for that there will be a new call to the database. The usual approach of using onSaveInstantState is meant for small amounts of data that can be easily serialized and deserialized. Unfortunately, that's not our case. The alternative will be to query the database again, but doing that every time that there is a configuration change will be particularly inefficient. Here it is where ViewModel joins the party. ViewModel allows data to survive to configuration changes, such as rotation. As you can see in the diagram, the life cycle of the ViewModel starts once the activity is created and lasts until it is finished. Because of that, we can cache complex data in our ViewModel. When the activity is recreated after rotation, it will use the exact same ViewModel object where we already have our cached data. Not only that, but it is common that we need to make some asynchronous calls to retrieve our data. Without the ViewModel, if the activity is destroyed before the call finishes, we could have memory leaks. Making sure that we do not have memory leaks will be an extra overhead. Instead, if we make these asynchronous calls from the ViewModel, the result will be delivered to, back to the ViewModel. And as it does not matter if the activity has been destroyed or not, there will be no memory leaks that we need to worry about.